Hey guys, I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate. Look at this on the golf course. We are going to tour this house and it is so pretty, so contemporary, and so unlike what typically you see in Fort Worth. So let's go see. Okay, so this is luxury new construction in Ridgely. So that's not something you see very often. We are right on the Ridgely Country Club golf course. Right as you walk in, there's an office, and then there is a hall bath just right behind me. We are on the main level with one downstairs and one upstairs. Also, I was running a little short on time, so I go quick through this. That's the mudroom off of the garage. Then we come back over here to the main living area, and this is honestly my very favorite part of the whole house. Look at these views. Okay, so there's a balcony right here. There's also access from the kitchen. Now, one of the things that is really unique about this house, for Fort Worth anyway, I kept joking that I was feeling like I was on Selling Sunset or something, but everything's really contemporary. There's a shaft here for an elevator, really high-end appliances, but everything's black. I don't know what y'all think about that, but I'd love to hear in the comments what your thoughts are on it. Garage is really big, so it could fit probably 3 or 4 cars in here because it's so deep, but 2 with tons of storage space. Okay, now back through the kitchen, wine storage. It's just so massive. I love it. There is a half bath to the left right there. Now we'll go upstairs, and there's this black like granite that's sort of scraped. And then upstairs there are 4 bedrooms that are really large. 2 on the front. This is the only one that doesn't have a bathroom on it. I'm not really sure why they did that, but it looks over. That's going to be a balcony. It's just incomplete at this point. There'll be tile and glass like on the back patio. Nice size closet. Then we go across the hall and there is another bathroom. There's also a door right here to that front patio. But the rooms again are really big. Ensuite bath on this one. Decent sized closet. Then upstairs there's also a big laundry room on the floor where there's bedrooms, so that's nice. Then we have a full bathroom right here in the hallway, which is the one that would serve the other bedroom that does not have a bathroom on this floor. And then we go up through here. This one, I love this bedroom because it has the views of the golf course. It is not the primary bedroom, but it kind of acts like one. It's really big and has a really nice sized bathroom and closet. So it's really got like almost 2 primary bedrooms. Hello. Okay, now we'll go across to the primary, which is a dream. Look how pretty this is. It's got a big, beautiful closet with motion sensored lights everywhere. Now let's go back into the primary bedroom. It's so, so beautiful. But the views are really like, I just want to wake up to this every morning. Look at that. You can just have your coffee right there and never go on vacation because the views are the vacation. And then of course this big patio. It does have a like wet bar out here, so you could entertain up here on this level. Although the downstairs, which we haven't seen yet, is absolutely designed for entertaining. Okay, so now we are in the bottom level, and we're going to show you this back room first. It doesn't have any windows, so I think it's a media room, but I'm not quite sure. I might use it as an office. And that's just storage. I don't particularly love the stone wall here, but you know. Then there's a bathroom down here, full bath, another bedroom down here. So in total, there are 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms in this place. But down here, see, it's got a whole other kitchen with more really high-end appliances. It's crazy. And this like living area, there's also designs for a pool right off of this balcony, but the pool has not been put in and is not included in the price. But the designer has designed a pool for it. And then you've got this big other living area. So just to give you a little bit of scale on how big this is, I backed up to see all of it. Okay, what do you think of this house? It's pretty pricey for the neighborhood, but it's also extremely unique and the views are amazing. So let me know in the comments what you think, and I would love to talk to you soon. Bye.